Be prepared for this scenario. The scenario that AMC goes to zero. Wait, that's not what Trey's trades told me. He told me something else. Today we're taking a look at the chart on AMC and talking about what is going on, guys. When does the squeeze begin? I'm gonna let you guys know right here in this video the exact time, the date, the price, and all of that fun stuff of when the squeeze to $1 kajillion billion trillion begins on AMC. What's going on, guys? So right now we're looking at the chart on AMC, and well, everybody told me this would not play out in the way that it's playing out right now. Everyone came and they made fun of me and they said I was stupid. They said I had no idea what I was doing with trading, and I have the worst YouTube, and Trey Trades told them to prepare for this exact scenario. But what's funny is Trey's technical analysis, he was thinking that today we're gonna pop. We're gonna pop up to the $40. Oh my gosh, was he wrong? Was he so very wrong? Today, AMC down to the 32.91 area. This is what I wanted to happen last week on Friday, but instead, well, it's Tuesday, and it's taken a lot longer because all of you apes are so darn stubborn. You just won't let the thing die. You won't let the stock just die. Just let it die already, you know? If you look at this chart, at this setup, this yellow line, I drew this weeks ago. The support here, we identified this weeks ago. And here we are, the price of the stock, the dead cat bounce. Did I not call it, or did I not call it? Dead cat bounce from the $32 level up there to a high of almost $47. That's what I like to call a dead cat bounce, my friends. It's no more simpler than basically just saying, like, hey guys, this is a dead cat bounce. Dead cat bounce to zero. And that's right, my friends. AMC now down to 32.84. I want to make something very clear with you guys. Even though I was wrong with my last prediction that AMC was going to zero at 32, I'm going to say it again here because I like the pain. But in general, just in honesty, guys, in honesty, I understand that everybody out there trading AMC believes that it's being manipulated, that, you know, it's the hedge funds, it's the FTDs, it's the synthetic shares that are holding this stock down, not letting it go to $1 million. I get that. I understand that you guys are angry, you're upset, you're mad because of that. But at the end of the day, it comes down to one simple idea, my friends, is that possibly, like I made in the last video, the possible idea that AMC is just one big major pump and dump. If you bought AMC at the $2, $20 area and you sold it at $70, congratulations. Congratulations, you did a good job. But all the poor suckers, all the retail investors who bought between 50 and 60 and 40 and 50 and now 30 and 40, all the retail investors who have been buying the dip because of YouTubers and people out there basically crying and saying that it's gonna go to the moon, it's guaranteed, they've done their DD, they know about the naked shorts. Nobody else understands the naked shorts but the apes. Nobody understands it. Well, here we are today. The price of AMC is $33. And well, I don't know if I was right or if I was wrong, but still, we are at a point where most people laughed at me and said that this was not a dead cat bounce, that this was the beginning of the future of the stock. We were going to go from 32 up to $1 million from here, and now down to the $33 area. And what's crazy is today, guys, look at this hourly chart. I mean, literally, look at the hourly chart here on AMC. There is nobody buying. There is nobody buying. Since yesterday from the $38 area, who is buying this thing? It's just going down, down, down like a sinking ship. Like I said, it's a sinking ship. AMC is a sinking ship. And yes, it's going to break this $30 area this week, and it's going to be far below $30 in the future. So, wow. Wowzers. I just can't believe anyone looked at this chart and thought this was going to $1,000. I don't know, guys. I mean, am I the only smart person in the room right here? Am I the only smart person? I'm just not sure, 100% sure. But But here we are, AMC 32.93 trading on Wednesday here. And look at this chart. Exactly like we drew it out. We drew that yellow line. We charted it out. I said I was looking for that move. I just wasn't good with my timing. You know, it just took a little bit longer. We had a little bit more consolidation than I wanted. I should have waited, been a little bit more patient. But in general, look at this move so far. From the $40 area down there to $32.99 currently trading. AMC, you can see the support here at the $32 area. I'm going to tell you right now. I will tell you right now. If AMC cannot hold $32, it is done. It is over. The party can just go ahead and forget about it. Everybody can just jump off the ship because AMC, if it can't hold $32, it can't hold this area, $32. If it can't hold it, this thing's going to go down $15, $16. I would say this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a line on the chart. We can come back and look at it next week. This is the area that we're looking at, right? I don't know, can you guys even see that? My head's in the way here. But this is our target. This is where I believe the stock will end up next. After breaking $32, we're going to head down here to the $15, $16 area there on AMC. So, very simple idea here. This is not going to break from 32 and go to $80, $90, $100. And well, now that I've said that, it probably will. But in general, in general here, if we remove this line right here, let's take away this line. How does this look? How does this look now, right? You draw this line all the way over here, and look at that. We're going to go $15 on AMC. So everybody who bought at 40, 30, 50, well, just keep on buying the dip, my friends, because before you know it, you can buy the stock at $15. AMC, this is when the party will really begin. This is the level that the shorts will start to cover at, that 15, because they're going to be in the green, so deep into the green that they're going to be laughing all the way to the banks. Just like I said, guys, number one, the company is making so much money off of this movement with selling shares. The CEOs they're all making, everybody in the company is making money except for the retail investors. Okay? At the end of the day, we can go ahead and agree this was a dead cat bounce. I don't care what anyone says. This bounce right here that everyone said it wasn't a dead cat bounce. Trade said it wasn't a dead cat bounce. Everybody said it wasn't a dead cat bounce. Well, I don't know about you guys, but it's a dead cat bounce. And here we are. The price of the stock is not showing any type of bullish activity. And for real, think about it. If I'm a short, why would I cover at this point? The stock hasn't went up in days and weeks. Why would I cover? You think that all the shorts piled in at the $10 area and they're all holding their shorts through the $70 area? You're so full of it. You're on another level of insanity, people. You got to think, if I'm a short, guess what? Once I saw this $65 area not breaking through, if I'm a big hedge fund, I'm getting short out the yin-yang, and that's exactly what they did. They didn't get short at the $10 area and then hold to 70 and hope and pray. Guys, you gotta remember, these hedge funds, they're the smartest people on the street. They've got the most money. They've got the analysts. They've got it all going on. Do you really think that these shorts shorted at the $10 area and they held through the $70 area and they're still holding, they're hoping and praying? No, that is not how you trade. That is not what you do in the trading world. And like I said, there's always a possibility that we get another push up here. You know, maybe this pushes up to the $40 area again and then gets denied and rolls off. But I'm just saying with full confidence at this point that the stock AMC will see $15 in the future very, very soon. I'm not going to say very, very soon, but $15 will be a point that the stock will touch here sooner than later. Sooner than later. That's all I got to say. AMC to $15. I'm not even going to talk about it. I'm not going to make any more videos the rest of the week on AMC. We'll see what happens the next week. I'll come back. I'll make a video for you guys, and you guys can argue with me. You can fight with me all you want. You can write down in the comments how I'm a shill. I'm getting paid. FUD. But here we are. Here we are. The stock is down to $33. The dead cat bounce that I called as a dead cat bounce, that everyone said it wasn't a dead cat bounce. It's a support bounce. No, my friends. It's a dead cat bounce. And well, here we are at $33. The chart doesn't lie. The synthetic shares, the FTDs, the hedge funds, the manipulation, that's all theories. At the end of the day, the chart is what tells us the story. And right now, the stock is going lower and lower and lower. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.